Okay, so we are making an organic pizza for lunch today, so stay tuned with us. Easy steps, not expensive to make. Put a little flour on the pan, and then we kind of roll this in, and we flatten the dough, and we kind of have to stretch it, and it's not going to be the prettiest circle, but you get the point. And that's how we flatten our pizza crust. And here we have our spaghetti sauce. And the reason why I put it in little freezer bags is because we usually make pizza, homemade pizza, like every other week, maybe every 2 weeks. And instead of me opening a spaghetti sauce and leaving it in the oven, in the fridge, and forgetting about it, it's better for me to put little packets in the freezer. I grab a pack and I put it on the pizza, and we just take the sauce and we do it like this, and we smear it around. Ooh.
Do a little dance at the same time.
Do a little dance. And it's not going to be the neatest, but just roll with it. We can actually put a little more sauce as well. This is not the most attractive way with the little bags, but it helps. It helps to separate the sauce and to have it ready to pop out of the, I keep saying the oven, the fridge when you're ready for it. So let's just smear that all over there. So we have our sauce, and now we're going to put our Italian sausage over it. Or should we do the pizza? Let's do the cheese first. So now we're going to take the grated cheese and just sprinkle over it. Okay,
we're
that's
recording.
enough cheese, and then we're going to put some sausage on. And we preheated our oven to 400, and you leave it in there for about 12 to 15 minutes. So we normally do about 13 minutes. And we also have our organic pizza dough that I actually picked up from Walmart. So that's not too bad. It's about $3 and some change. Organic dough, I put it in the freezer, take it out and let it thaw that day. And we roll it out that night. So let's go ahead and get this started and place it in the oven for about 13, 14 minutes. And we'll have lunch. Pizza.